My child is happy going to school. I've never seen him annoyed. I've never seen him unwilling. He just loves to go to school.
We took a right decision on enrolling him into the school's reading program, and they're very scientific and thoughtfully done. What do you say?
Yes, it has helped him quite a lot.
They also have an exclusive tie-up with the One Academy, where they can get themselves trained by some great professionals. My son has been a part of it, so he is a skater, he likes skating. He gets to have a lot of guidance from the coaches here.
He has fallen in love with the school, so he never complained that the school has been changed. So of course, the positive thing happening with him.
The infrastructure and the building is very functional.
Very dedicated and comfortable infrastructure, wherein they have different rooms colorful rooms for language, for other art and craft and other activities. And they also have different music rooms and play rooms and dance.
Earlier, when she was in Kolkata, we were there. She used to say, "I don't want to attend my school. I don't want to go there." But yes, I think the teachers over here and the enrichment team over here, because of that, she's able to attend her school every day.